Hammer N4400 is one of the most popular bandsaws from the Felder group, providing flexibility and precision with professional quality results. Standard features include saw blade guides above and below the table, saw blade tension indicator, tilting machine table, and many others to make a comprehensive package at a great price. As its name suggests, the N4400 has two solid wheels that measure 440mm in diameter, and the large distance between the wheel cast axles makes it possible to use longer blades, which produce smooth movement with more teeth to ensure a prolonged working life. Each wheel is surrounded by a durable rubber cover that protects the blade and prevents slippage, and which can be removed and replaced with ease when required. Similarly, the bandsaw blade is also easily changed in just a few steps, and the blade tension indicator eliminates the need for guesswork by displaying the correct tensions for a range of different blade sizes. Sizes from 6 to 25mm are available to order from our online shop. Accuracy is ensured thanks to a pair of blade guides above and below the table, which feature fine adjustable side and rear rollers. As an option, these can be upgraded to the X-Life ceramic blade guides, which guarantee excellent cutting results and maximum blade stability, with reduced noise emissions and considerably less friction resistance, making the guides practically wear-resistant and enabling an extremely long usable life compared to conventional roller guides. The X-Life ceramic blade guides have been developed exclusively for Hammer and Felder bandsaws and can be retrofitted as an accessory at any time. The Hammer N4400 has a high cutting height of up to 310mm, which provides great versatility and enables the production of solid wood veneers as well as a range of other applications. The solid cast iron table measures 420 by 575mm and can be angled from -10 to 45 degrees. The exact 0-degree position of the table is guaranteed by a fine adjustable stop. Optional table extensions are available at different sizes to allow processing of larger workpieces. The N4400 also features an aluminium rip fence that is guided precisely along the round bar. The fence can be laid flat for processing narrow workpieces or swung away and removed completely for larger items. Additional options include a Mitre fence that slots into the table groove and a circular cutting device for precise completion of curves or circles. As with all Hammer machines, the N4400 can be fitted with a rolling carriage for enhanced maneuverability and is available with both single-phase and three-phase power options, with the latter fitted as standard. The motor produces a 3.5 horsepower output with high torque and extreme smoothness for guaranteed precision. The Hammer N4400 bandsaw is one of the best-selling machines from the Felder Group range, and it's not difficult to see why. Versatile and well-equipped, the N4400 is proof that professional quality and accuracy don't have to cost the earth. To find out more about how the Hammer N4400 could be the machine for you, visit felder-group.co.uk.